Global National with Donna Friesen.
Good evening and thanks for joining us. Global News has confirmed 2 of the Indian men accused of killing a BC Sikh leader came to Canada on student visas and that one took just days to obtain. They're charged with first-degree murder in the killing of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, who was shot outside a Gurdwara in Surrey, BC last year. Canada's Prime Minister has said there is credible evidence linking the Indian government to the murder. How the men got into Canada is also under scrutiny. Jeff Semple has new details in tonight's top story.
That's Indian national Karan Brar announcing he'd received his student visa from Canada and thanking an immigration company for their help. That company posted the video on its Facebook page in 2019. 3 years later, Brar allegedly murdered BC Sikh leader Hardeep Nijjar.
This is a screaming wake-up call to Ottawa.
Sources close to the investigation say police believe India's Foreign Intelligence Agency was responsible for Nijjar's murder. Officers arrested 3 alleged hitmen, including Brar, in Edmonton Friday. Sources say at least 2 of the accused came to Canada on student visas. But instead of studying, sources say they were involved in drug trafficking and organized crime, with links to India's notorious Bishnoi gang.
It's the easiest country, safest country.
This organized crime expert says Canada's international student visa program is well known to Indian gangs.
So you do anything from here, it's much safer.
Sources believe the suspects were involved in organized crime before coming to Canada, but it's unclear if Brar had a criminal record.
If someone were on a student visa, would there be criminal record checks?
Yes.
There would be?
Yeah.
Despite that claim from Canada's immigration minister, immigration lawyers and the government's own website say Canada does not require a criminal record check from student visa applicants from India.
Canadian government, Canadian immigration expects you to be truthful about your background and your criminal history. But as we all know, not everyone tells the truth.
In the video, Brar says he received his student visa within days. The company that assisted his application, EthicWorks Immigration Services, is headquartered in India's Punjab state. It lists 2 Canadian addresses in Saskatchewan and this home in Ontario. No one would answer the door.
Which one?
Mr. Singh, from EthicWorks? But through the doorbell camera, they said they know nothing about the case. There's no suggestion the company did anything wrong. Brar had been accepted into this Calgary college in its hospital unit clerk program in 2020. The program lasts 8 months, which means his student visa should have expired 3 years ago. It's unclear whether he completed his studies or even attended class.
Right now, there's a lack of uniform and consistent collection of who's showing up to school.
This immigration lawyer says communication between schools and immigration officials is lacking.
We have a screen door on the submarine. By the time we find out something's amiss, it's too late.
Facing criticism about the surging number of international students, the federal government announced changes to the program in January, including a cap for the next 2 years. Meanwhile, Brar and his 2 co-accused will be back in court on May 21st. The charges against them have not been proven. Donna?
All right, Jeff Semple.